Water quality is important, but have you ever wondered why? In this video, we'll explore the issue of water quality together, and you'll get the chance to see the procedure for performing 3 water quality tests that you can do with your teacher's help. Let's begin by taking a quick look at why the quality of water is so important. Why should we care about water? Why should you care? Pause the screen and take a moment to choose the option that represents why water is important to you. Even if the water looks clean, it can sometimes hide harmful stuff like germs, chemicals, or trash. If we drink, swim in, or eat food contaminated by dirty water, we can get sick. Also, plants and animals rely on clean water as much as we do, and we are all connected to nature. That's why testing water quality helps keep us, and the planet, safe and healthy. Today, we will be testing the quality of our water. One potential source is the water that flows from the tap. Another is bottled water bought from your local corner store or supermarket. A third source might be a local creek, river, pond, or lake. If you can make it to the Texas coast, the ocean is a great place to collect samples for testing. Join us as we travel to the Gulf to conduct water quality testing and explore why pH is important. Water should have a neutral pH, meaning it's not acidic or basic. Fish and other creatures living in Texas surface waters are adapted to a pH level ranging from 5 to 9. If it changes too much, they can get sick or die. For us, drinking water that is too acidic or too basic can damage our teeth, hurt our stomach, or even cause long-term health problems. Here we are on the Gulf Coast, ready to carry out a simple pH test. We begin by filling the test tube to the 10 milliliter line with our sample water. Then we add 10 drops of the pH wide range indicator reagent. Once done, we cap the test tube and mix the sample by inverting the tube until the reagent is thoroughly mixed. Next, we'll compare the color of the sample to the pH color chart. Why don't you pause this video and take a moment to record the test result? And while you're at it, discuss if aquatic life can sustain the pH level tested. Let's examine some additional water quality tests that are important. Nitrogen is a nutrient essential for all aquatic plants and animals to synthesize proteins. It is released into the water with the decay of dead plants and animals. High nitrate levels can be directly harmful to plants and animals on land, and even endanger human health, particularly infants. Excess nitrates can also cause algal blooms, which deplete oxygen in the water and harm aquatic life. Excess nitrates found in Texas waterways are the result of runoff from fertilizers applied around our homes and agricultural fields, animal waste, including that of our pets, improper septic and sewage management, and industrial discharge. Now let's take a look at how to use your collected water sample to test for nitrates. Fill the test tube to the 5 milliliter line with the water sample. Then, insert the test tube in the protective sleeve. Add 1 nitrate tab. Then, cap the test tube and mix by inverting until the nitrate tablet has disintegrated. Now, be patient for 5 minutes and wait for the red color to develop. When it has, compare the color of the sample to the nitrate color chart. Let's pause this video and take a moment to record the result as nitrate ppm and discuss how humans may have affected nitrate levels along the Gulf Coast and in your community. Like nitrates, phosphates in water are natural and essential for plant growth and animal metabolism. Excess phosphate can lead to algae blooms and poor water quality. They also contribute to the Gulf's dead zone, where dissolved oxygen levels drop too low to sustain most marine life in most summers, due to nutrient-rich runoff from the Mississippi River. You can find phosphates in detergents, cleaners, and fertilizers, which could end up in our surface water. Monitoring helps identify the potential environmental impact of contaminants, such as phosphate. Let's run a quick phosphate test on our sample from the Gulf Coast. Fill the test tube to the 10 milliliter line with the water sample. Add 1 phosphate tab. Cap the tube and mix by inverting until the tablet has disintegrated. Wait 5 minutes. Then compare the color of the water sample to the color chart provided. Let's pause the video and take a moment to record the data and discuss what would happen if too much phosphate were to contaminate your local drinking water. Let's recap what we've learned. Water quality is essential to life, and water pollution is important to understand and monitor. Together, we've learned how to test the pH, nitrate, and phosphate levels of water samples. What do your test results tell you about the health of the Gulf water samples we tested, or samples tested from your own watershed? Did you see signs of trouble, like lots of algae, murky water from erosion, runoff from lawns, roads, parks, and animal waste? What can you do to help keep the water in your neighborhood healthy? We urge you to conserve resources, apply lawn chemicals only as needed and according to the package directions, participate in a habitat restoration project, or plant native plants in your backyard. We hope you've enjoyed learning about water quality with us